So moving to lesson 4. So under lesson 4, we have creating custom conditions. So we are going to start creating custom conditions, which is creating area, linear, count, and segments. So under the templates, these are the conditions that can be created. We have the area, we have the linear, we have the segment, we have the count, we have the new parts. We'll talk more on that later on in the course. So here, let's create a new custom condition for area. When I click this is a new condition. I'll call this site clearance because we need area to do site clearance, and then click OK. So I can create a new condition and call this the gut. Another new condition. So we can also create another new condition, which is the count. We can call this column basis. Click OK. So basically, this is how you create a new condition in PlanSwift. So let's go and check out this new condition that we created. We go back to home. Under template parts and inputs, we'll move to our template creation course version 2. Then click it. You can see we have all our conditions ready to be used. Let's test one of these conditions. This is site clearance. So the moment I click this, you can see I have my condition site clearance. Then click OK. So you can see we have our site clearance in square feet 1931.66. You can see it is here created, and we also have our template here. So I can easily reuse this again. I can call this topsoil. Click OK, and also measure. You can see we have another one, site clearance and topsoil. So basically, this is how you create a custom condition in PlanSwift. So the next is assigning colors, styles, and measurement units. So here we have all our conditions created with their own custom color and measurement unit. So we can easily change the color and measurement units. And double click on this. You can see this is where we add the color. You can change this to red. Click OK. You can see the color has changed. And double click on this. Click. Change this to blue. You can see. You can also double click on this. Change the color to pink. And click OK. So let's assign measurement unit. So when I double click on this, go to advanced, you can see this is our takeoff. It is measured in square feet. So you can easily change this to maybe cubic foot. You can see, and easily change this to cubic foot. Click OK. But we are going to leave it in square feet because this measurement is in square feet. So let's change it back to square feet. Click OK. So the next we have saving condition for reuse. So all the conditions we have here have been saved and they can be reused like I showed you earlier. But we can easily duplicate this, copy and paste if you want to make same condition, and then we call this topsoil like we just did earlier in the previous video. Topsoil, click OK. I can then move this to the top here. We have the side clearance, we have the topsoil, we have the cut, we have the column beams. So we are done with lesson 4. Let's move to lesson 5.